run it, we'll go to run and we'll click on run module. So F5, or you can directly press the F5 button. So what is this? What we are getting, right? So here we are getting this array. This is a multi-dimensional array, right? So it is your multi-dimensional array. So here, why we are getting this array over here, right? We have read the image. Why we are getting this array? So here let's understand this in our image here. So let's go to file and we don't want to say. So we have this image, right? So this image is nothing but your multi-dimensional array only. Here we have stored this pixel intensity that ranges between 0 to 255. Okay, where 255 means the highest intensity. That means the image is your white and your 0 means dark intensity. That means it is all black. All right. So this is what we are getting. We are getting this pixel intensities between 0 to 255. Okay. Now here again, if we take the shape of this image, if we just write print image.shape, img.shape, and if we run it, we'll see this shape as 720, 1280, 3. Now what is this? So this is the width and the height of the image and the number of channels. What is this channel? So this channel represents your red, green and blue channel. So here our colored images are going to be of 3 channels. Here you have red intensity, right? This is your red, then you have green, then you will have blue. So this is your multi-dimensional array, and you have red channel, you have green channel, and you have blue channel. All right. When you have a grayscale image, it will have this one channel. So let's get back to here. Now, how we are going to display our image, right? We don't want to see this pixel intensity. I want to see the image. How I'm going to do that? So I will just write cv2.imso, cv2.imso, and here we will give the window name in which we want to display. So let's say we give this window name as OpenCV window or just OpenCV, and here I pass the img that we have read the image in, right? So we have read this image in img. Now let's run it. Let's save it and run this. So here we are getting this image of Sundar Pichai, right? Now you can close it. So here to display the image, we are going to use this imso. Now here we can also write cv2 dot wait key. So wait key, and we can specify for how long we want to wait. We want to wait for 10 seconds or 15 seconds before the windows get destroyed. Then we will write cv2 dot destroy all windows. So A is capital and Windows W is capital. Okay, destroy all windows. Here we are not going to see anything, but if sometimes you use your Jupyter notebooks, in that case your window might hang. Okay, so to destroy it, to kill the window, we are writing this destroy all windows. Let's save it and now let's run. Okay, so here you see that in a flash it came and it went, right? So this is not your 10 seconds, this is 10 nanoseconds, right? So here what you can do, you can leave it blank as well. So if we leave this blank, now let's see. We are getting this image, and if I press any key, it will be gone. Okay, so here you can leave this blank as well. So whenever you press any key, it will close that window. So let's open this again, and here is our image of Sundar Pichai, and the window is named as OpenCV, right? So this is your how you are going to display the images. All right. Now next we'll see how you're going to convert it into your grayscale images and how you are going to save it as well.
I hope you have enjoyed watching it. If you have liked our content, please do hit like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful content and exciting updates. If you want to learn such practical content at an affordable cost with Microsoft certification and instructor support, please register at academy.codegnan.com. You can also download app from Play Store as CodeGnan. Never hesitate to raise queries in the comment section, and please do reply with your suggestions for more practical videos. We'll be happy to come up with it. Thank you.